Hi everyone, want to become an author and let your dreams come true by following the simple steps. So, what you require for that is first a proper title and then the descriptive content, what you're going to write in that. And third one is the proper platform where you have to publish. So, here I have taken the Amazon website, Amazon platform. In that, self publishing, a Amazon KDP, that is Kindle Direct Publishing, is the platform. So if you have a login ID, you can get into that. Otherwise, you can create a new login and password, sign into the account. So this is my own account that I have shown over here. And in the bookshelf, you can see whatever the books that you have published. So as of now, I have published only one book, that is Life After Marriage, Expectation versus Reality. That is the book which is shown over there. And you can see that two things, that is live Kindle ebook and paperback is showing us live, and third one is the hardcover. We'll discuss about that. So the top you can see the category bookshelf. So whatever the books you publish, it is seen in the bookshelf, and the next category is the report. So the monthly income what you're getting out of the books you are publishing will be seen in the report. And as I told, the three categories, that is Kindle ebook, paperback, and the hardcover. So these are the three things where two things are live. It means that the book is already published, and third one is scheduled in the future date. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new one. Suppose if you're going to create ebook, so you have to click with the option create the ebook. So you have ebook, paperback, and hardcover. And next you also have series. Suppose if you have more series, one, part two, part three, you can go with the series. Otherwise, this thing will work out. Now, suppose I have clicked the ebook option. Now, under that you have the categories. First is language. So, which language you're going to opt? If it is English, or any other language, you can go with any other language. So, once you select the language, then you have to go with the book title. So, what is the title that you're going to fill in the book title column? So that you can fill in. For example, like Hidden Secrets in Everyday Life is the second book I'm planning for. So, that I'm typing over there. And then the subtitle, what you have the subtitle, and it will be automatically saved, or you have the save option for saving it. In between you can save it. Suppose if you have series, you can go with the additional series like new series, or it is the existing series, you can add upon that. So once that is over, and then you can go ahead with the other categories like author name. So you can write your name and the last name, and suppose you have any other contributors, you can add their names also along with that category. So once that part is filled in, you can go ahead with the other region where you have the description. So this description you can type, copy and paste it directly, or you can do it over here itself. And then the publishing right, yes, if you own the publishing right, you can go ahead with that, or primary audience. And then you can sexually explicit immediate title, if it is there or no, you can click that option. And then reading age, minimum and maximum age you can select. Maybe if it is for children, you can select it accordingly. So the age bar you can go ahead. And then coming back to the category, so you have a different list of categories over here, and that talks about children and young adult, language, literature, politics. So based on the topic that you have selected, you can find out which category your book suits in. And then the other subcategories under this health, family and development, what are the subcategories that you can place this book. And then you can click any one out of that. So you have three categories, so you can select three categories so that your book will be placed in the major categories. It is easy for finding out the selection accordingly. And then the keywords, you can select the keywords based upon the hidden secrets. You can write the related topic, for example personality development, or any other topics that is relating with that, you can write that. So suppose if you have pre-order, so pre-order talks about like if you want to book your if you want bookings. So if you want, you can pre-order, like can give the option for giving the orders before you publish the book, pre-ordering the copy. And once that part is over, there is the uploading the manuscript. And there is a format by which you have to upload the manuscript. For example, it is the doc or Kindle format itself is there. So you can just KPF file, you just call as KPF file. You can get into that, what are the supported file that is available. And you can see the docx, and then the Kindle format, Kindle Create format. So if you see the Kindle Create, if you click into any of the link, you will be getting into the diverting into what is the option. So you will get what are the possible format by which you can upload the manuscript. And here I'll show you the Kindle Create, which is the format that I have opted for. And this is the format where I have uploaded the format which I've used for uploading my book. That is Kindle Create. So this is the book format content, how it looks like in Kindle Create, where you have the title, copyright, dedication, epigraph, contents, introduction, preface, prologue, and the other details. So these are the content. So if you click into one of the icon, for example, title page, so that will show the life after marriage, expectation versus reality. In the right side, you will have the edit option. So when you click the edit option, what you have to click, what is the title? It will show in the bar. Like for example, you can see the book title. You can type what is the title, and then the subtitle, your author name, and then the publication. So we are doing it on ourselves, so it is a self publication. And then the logo. So if you have the image already, you can upload the image, or if you want to change also, you can remove the image and then the update the new one, and then update the whole page. So once that part is over, then you have the copyright. Again, for copyright, you have the format that is available. Since it is self publication, you give the copyright owner and the year of publication. So once you fill in the details over there, it comes in this format. And then epigraph, dedication, so whatever is there, the format you fill in, and that comes in the way what it has to come. And then, as I told you, the epigraph, so whatever the quotes that you're quoting for a particular person, different kind of authors, or any other wordings that you want to quote, you quote over there. And coming back to the content, these chapters, all these things, once you upload your document, based upon the number of chapters it is available, it will make it in such a way that the chapters, once you click the chapters, it will get into the content. So once you click, the links will be arranged accordingly. So once you click the chapter link, it will direct to us to that particular page. So this is a preface, and then comes back to the introduction part, and that follows up with the whatever the chapter content. So here again you have the typing format, so with leaving space in between the lines, or whether you can bold. So what is the bold, which one, the font size that has to be applicable, and format, all these things. Once you read the doc, what is the format that has to be uploaded, you will get a clear picture. So once that part is over, you can save the project. So yes, once you save, it is saved. So this is what happens, and then it is saved in your system. Now if you want to continue with that, this is what I have done, the previous one I'm showing you. But if you want to start with the fresh one, you can go ahead with the book title, again the author name. So I have the new book, what I'm going to show, as I told you, which we have filled in the KDP. It is the hidden secrets in everyday life. And again, the author name, you have to type over there the author name. And following that, the publication, it is a self publication. So we go with the self publication and choosing the file. So again, we are not doing it here over here. We have already typed the file and kept it ready, and that we are going to upload it here. So when you click the option choose file, so wherever you have typed your file and kept it ready, that you can choose over here. Again, the alignment, everything will change according to this Kindle Create format. If any other minor change has to be done, that you can do, like spacing, bold, or the font size and other details, you can check into it. So I'm selecting the file that I have kept it ready, and once you select the file, you can just upload it in the manuscript. But as for now, my manuscript is not ready, so I'm not getting into that part. So let me show you how to launch the cover creator. That is the cover of the ebook. Sometimes you can have it by your own. You can create your own cover using an editor or any other software that is available, or in the Amazon KDP itself, you have the cover creating option. So based on the topic what is available, they have the options which you can select any one of the book cover that you think it is suitable for you. So accordingly, you can see that your name, your title, and there is author name, subtitle, everything gets filled in. So let me select any one of the book cover which is available given in the option. So once I select that, let me see the preview of the book what I have taken. And once the preview is ready, I can launch it. Yes, the book cover is ready. You can set it. So the cover, once that is fine, it will be giving the option that cover is uploaded successfully. And then we can go for the next option. Once this part is over, we can go for the next option that talks about the develop yourself into fit into the universe, whatever the subheadings or the title that I have given. So that part is ready. Now we can see that the cover is uploaded successfully. So this is what happens. So you can see in the bookshelf whatever the book I have done. Suppose my content is not ready, I can keep it as a draft, save it as a draft, and come back. And once my content are ready, again I can go for the continue with the setup process. So let me show you in the book which I have already published, where like how I have filled in all the other details like author, contributor, description, publishing right, audience, and then the marketplace. It is amazon.com or .in. So you can get into the details to find out what is the .com, amazon.com and amazon.in, and again the categories that you can select. This I have ordered already, this I have published already, so you can see the publishing date and save and continue. Maybe if you want to do any other changes also, you can change it in the place provided. And then any other AI generation if you have used for the content, or any other images that you have used, so the options will be asked, so you have to click in yes or no, and the subtitles will be placed accordingly. So once your content everything is fine, and we are no need of writing the ISBN number. Only for paperback and hardcover ISBN is required. And you can see the royalty, we have 35%, 70% royalty. Two options are provided. Again, for everything, wherever you have the doubt, you can click in the link provided. You can read whatever the details given over there, and once you get the clear picture of what has to be done, which kind of royalty has to be selected, 35 or 70%, and you can go ahead with that. And you can see that varies from one country, one marketplace to the other marketplace. So you can see different kind of amount that comes in the different marketplace. And once this pricing is over, the option publish your Kindle ebook, so you can publish your Kindle ebook. Now in the reports, that is the column where you can see dashboard, like what is the amount, that is the sales that is done every day, monthly, or year. So the report comes in that way, last month. So the report comes, you can have a look at the report. So this is the bookshelf. Before I can see that only one book was there, and I can see the two books are there in the bookshelf. Now what is the book you have published? Once you get into the amazon.in website, you can search for the book that is present in the bookshelf, that is in the overall website. We can see the book whatever you have published. So let me see show in the other video, and you can, once you can read the content. So once the other books are ready, we can see whatever the books that comes to us. Hope this video is informative and useful. Thank you.